Hello guys, how you guys doing? This is Jarvis Cloud Sr, aka the man with the plan, boss man of Day1Marketing Inc. And I'm coming with today's review on Cash Juice and why I upgraded. And today's review is simply about a program called Cash Juice. Cash Juice is a social networking platform, uh, earn, learn, advertise, the free way to build your followers, build your list, make money, and so much more. So again, just to tell you a little bit about Cash Juice and myself, my name is Jarvis Cloud Sr. And I'm a marketer, online marketer, YouTuber, and lead generation strategist. And when I was looking at Cash Juice, I simply come to find out about Cash Juice. Actually, July of 2021. I had never ever heard of Cash Juice, but when I seen it, I I instantly took a hold of it, and I started going through the page, and it asked, once I seen what it was about, I said, well, if you're a beginner, search the community for ideas and tips. Uh, asked experts for advice. Cash use plan kind of intrigued me. Intermediate, your development, use the community to improve. Use the plan. The plan again got me. Promote your affiliate links and expert, build followers, teach, and advertise. And being a marketer, teaching people and giving people a plan is most definitely necessary. So I took on, and I grabbed, and I joined the community. And like I said, I myself, Jarvis Cloud Sr, Day1Marketing Inc., Day One Capital, YouTube, online market lead generation strategist, business capital broker, and also Day1Marketing Inc. So it this is actually when you join, it give you a about and your referral. So um, actually, that's the referrer, and this is actually where the credibility of Cash Juice come from. Cash Juice founder Darren Merritt, and he's actually the founder also of Traffic Ad Bar. If you know anything about marketing, you probably know a little bit about Traffic Ad Bar. So I read through here, and once I seen that free to use, I said, let's go. I mean, what the heck? Let's go ahead and see what Cash Juice is about. And when I first started going through Cash Juice, it started sharing something called the plan. And the plan basically lets you know um, the intro, the plan, building the audience, what is Cash Juice, how to make money from the audience, and using the community. And everything was kind of set up pretty good. And I started getting a feel about Cash Juice of the training and what to do, and just started going through the getting started and what to do with the plan. And just had a good, nice feel. But another thing, once I started learning more and connected everything, I realized Cash Juice also have an additional place where you can hear, follow your following. Now I've been here maybe 4 or 5 days. Actually, 3 days I took off because of ministry and other things like that. And when I started, I basically put one night of work in, and from one night of work, I already have 10 followers, 17 hits, and haven't even done anything on the on the page. I just found out about cash juice. But once I started going through, I started getting the feel like, you know, kind of like a Facebook, and don't want to say it, but it kind of gave me the Facebook feel. This is Tony Lee Hamilton. He's a diamond member, and on Cash Juice, it kind of allows you to get ranks and gain momentum and followers, and it built that. And when I seen how many people outside of Tony is one of the good leaders. You see here, he's a diamond member. Tony, and also, if I had to go here, and Chris is another one, a diamond member. And these members, once I started going through and seeing the activity and start following up the seeing it between Tony and also Chris, that these are some marketers that's using this platform pretty stealth, and they're putting in work on this platform, so it have to be uh, it have to have some momentum in it. And so once I started seeing everything, how everything was working, started following through and seeing what was going on, I said, man, I came over here and I seen upgrade, and I had to go ahead and upgrade. I had to go ahead and upgrade. One time lifetime fee. Now, on some other platforms, you're not going to get a lifetime fee. It's some other platforms that don't have this social media, not just traffic exchange, but the real social media field that's actually charging monthly fees. And you cannot get this much traction. You can't get this much feel. You can't message. If I want to send a message, I could come here and I can message. And you can and everybody here is marketers. They're in business. They either are looking, and so this is what you want. And as you've seen on my page, I mean, hits to a link, 17, doing nothing real hits. I'm like, okay, cool. This is a platform that if you are doing any type of marketing that you actually want to be on. So when you look here at the upgrade, and they'll show you that you can have a free plan. Free plan is cool. Maximum post for free is 3 posts a day. You can post, promote, campaign. You get one. Maximum members you can follow 200. Maximum members you can tag as favorite 20. Ad commissions. You say you can't get no commissions off ads. So anytime you hear no commissions, it's time to upgrade. Ad credits. That was a good plus as well. Target your post rotator for campaigns and countries. If you look at that, this gives you the opportunity to promote your post and target them by country when upgrade to lifetime membership. So that made it a no-brainer. You want to deal with the countries that you're dealing with, make that a no-brainer. Okay. Double your followers, promote links, and they have so many. Create groups. When I seen groups, that was another plus. And down here you have a link tracker, splash page creator, and so much more. Uh, Guaranteed referral hits and auto message, free referrals. As you see, no brainer. a platform like this, you must upgrade. You got leagues here, league positions, and so as again, when I seen all this activity and actually seen what was capable of just running a platform, once I start seeing diamond members and all different type of ways that you can actually use the platform and grow, then it became a no-brainer. So what I would like to do as just doing what I do, I would like to, for anyone that have not already enrolled, enroll with me personally, and I will add some bonuses. I will add some bonuses below in the description. You will get access to some bonus. I have some bonuses that I like to throw in for you. A matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna throw some bonuses in for you. Um, just look down at at the link in the below in the description. It's gonna be some prizes. You're gonna want to join the page anyway. Join Cash Juice for yourself anyway. But I'm gonna do something. Hold one moment, and I'm gonna pull up these bonuses. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, so these are the bonuses that I want to add in for you. Okay, so when you join with my link, like I said, I just like marketing. I like helping people. I'm gonna do a 10K bonus blueprint. Basically just for subscribing to my link, 10K bonus blueprint. Get access to that. Bonus two, I'm going to give you 30-day YT YouTube domination. Get access for free. Go ahead and also get emoji traffic. Join through my link. Gonna send you that as well. You can get it as well when you join. Just uh, come in and just say you joined, and I'm gonna send you the bonus link. You're also gonna get the email secret, success secrets. Get that as well. Um, get top 6 pay underground traffic sources, throw that in for you. 6 free traffic methods, throw that in for you. Bonus number 7, top 51 website traffic resources. I throw that in. All about traffic and targeted traffic training program. I like to throw that in for free as well. Bonus number 9, you get the road to a 50K mailing list. This will help you with your mailing list. And then bonus number 10, 30 days to a bigger mailing list. And then all these bonuses you will also get as well. And if you're also on my link, just click here as well. And um, this link to, to on my page, you will also see different things that you can also get access to. These are evergreen trainings, evergreen systems, just for being a part of my community and taking a part of uh, what I'm doing and what we are doing to help people get solid systems and training tools and products to be able to share, build their business, and to grow effectively as well. And if you check that out, you also see my number one recommendation, uh, free marketing tools, build your list, everything access free. You'll be also get access to my YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc, my private Facebook group, and just different bonuses that will help with your traffic and also help you just have a solid um, method of grabbing traffic. So learn the methods, get the tools, get the lead magnets, get the training, get um, the free bonuses and everything, just basically just for joining my community, um, and signing up with me through Cash Juice and a program that you already basically want to be a part of yourself. Subscribe to my channel and just join the community. Join Cash Juice. If you love it, basically, I would take the upgrade. I would come in, do the upgrade a lifetime or even a monthly, but the lifetime was a no-brainer. So just check it out. Again, signing off, Jarvis Cloud Sr, Day1Marketing Inc. Uh, you guys, I hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy Cash Juice. And this is why I upgraded because I believe that this is a platform for every marketer to come on and to take advantage of big time. Signing off, Jarvis Cloud Sr, Day1Marketing Inc. You guys be blessed.